Have you ever wanted a little more from your drive? Introducing the 1959 Corvette Convertible. A forever classic, rejuvenated with modern modifications. This 6-speed manual Corvette has a Crate GM LS3 V8 engine pumping out 494 horsepower. It has a rebuilt suspension, Budnick wheels, Dakota digital gauges, an in-engine hot cam, red leather seats, all encased in a beautiful Roman red body. The best part? It doesn't end there. It has an American Auto Wire wiring harness, Rick's Tank's stainless fuel tank with pump-in tank, a Be Cool radiator system. The list goes on. This 1959 soft-top convertible gives you modern comfortability with classic style, and it could all be yours. The Buffalo Bills Center of the West is raffling this Corvette off October 17th. Tickets are on sale now, $25 each, $5 for $100, or $30 for $500. Purchase your ticket today for a chance to drive this modified classic. For more ticket and car information, visit centerofthewest.org/car-raffle. Purchase your ticket before October 17th and get your hand on the drive of your life.